China grass or agar agar and sago pearls come together to make this cool and stunning dessert. Today on Cravings Food Adventures, we're going to be making sago China grass. Sago is tapioca and China grass is a gelatin that's derived from seaweed. I'm going to put it together and it's going to make a stunning dessert. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I'm going to start with this agar agar. It's also known as China grass in India. You get this in a grass-like form as well, hence the name, as well as it comes in a powder. It's made with seaweed and it's used as a natural plant-based ingredient to set puddings similar to gelatin. Soak 50 grams of China grass or agar agar in room temperature water. I'm also going to be using tapioca pearls or sago. This is widely used in India in sweet and savory dishes. In the Philippines and other parts of Asia, it's used in puddings and come in these beautiful colors. Boil this in water for about 5 minutes and then drain it. Pour cold water over it to stop the cooking process and cool the tapioca down. Now I'm going to boil the soaked China grass in water until it dissolves. In a pot, I'm going to add 400 ml of coconut milk and 600 ml of regular milk. I'm going to add 7 tablespoons of sugar in total. You can add more sugar if you like this to be sweeter. You can also substitute part of the milk for condensed milk. Bring this to the boil. Add the dissolved agar agar or China grass and I will reserve a little bit for the finishing layer. Add about a half cup of the sago and stir it as it does tend to clump together. Now I'm going to pour this into my serving dish. I'm going to allow it to cool first and then I'm going to move it into the fridge to set for at least an hour. After an hour, I will reheat the agar agar liquid I reserved. As you can see, this is already set right in the pot and I'm going to add 1 cup of coconut water. The set agar agar will dissolve in the hot coconut water. Now I'm going to add the rest of the sago and stir. Allow this to cool, but before it sets, pour it over the set pudding. Just for a little sparkle, I'm going to be adding some small silver candy balls. This is totally optional. For best results, chill overnight, cut it and serve it cold. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for sago China grass. You can make this at your family gatherings and people are going to love it. If you love my videos, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. I really love hearing from you. Also let me know what other kinds of recipes you're looking to see. Share my videos with your family and friends so they can enjoy it as well. And don't forget, while you're here, make sure you're subscribed to my channel as well as if you rung the bell to be notified the minute I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my other sister channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.